In this session, we will cover function in Python. So what is function in Python? Here you can see function is nothing but a piece of code, few lines of code and some line of code is considered as function, and it help us in reusability of code. Like if you want to greet someone multiple time, so typing the message every time is not convenient. For this, function came to the picture. So it only execute when it called, otherwise it will not execute. And there are two types of functions, like first one is built-in function and second one is custom function. Built-in functions are predefined function. It is already defined in Python, like printage built-in function, range in built-in function, and custom function. These functions are defined by us as per the task. You can understand it by below example. Like if you want to print greet someone, so how we can do it? So we can do welcome, how are you? I want to print how are you, and then ask for age. How old are you? So age. So again, in your code, if you need to greet someone, so you have to copy this, that I am copying this and again asking, and then few lines of code, few codes, and then again I need that I have to do that again. So I have to do all these, I have to copy all these codes and put it here. These can be multi-line of code. It can be thousands line of code. So printing thousands line of code in typing thousands line of code in multiple places in our code is not convenient. So for this, there is a method. In this, we put these codes which perform something or do something in our task in a block, and when we need we can just call that block, so it will automatically execute that function. So how to do that? So here you can see, let executing it. So it is giving 3 times welcome, how are you, and asking for age. So for this, creating a function, like creating a function, how to create it? So just for this we use def keyword and name the function's name whatever we want. If I want to name my function name greet, so I am typing greet here, and then a parenthesis, and then a colon, and then enter. There should be an indentation, and from here you have to type few lines of code which perform something. You have to type few lines of code which perform something, like I am greeting means I am printing how are you, how are you, and then asking for age, how old are you, input how old are you, and what's your name, or it can be what's your name, what's your name, sorry, name. So this is my function greet. So let execute it. So it is not getting executed because it is not called. So how to call a function? So for this, just do this. Call the function by just printing the function name and then a parenthesis. So it will call the function. So now executing this now it is asking for what is your name. Actually it will ask after this line, printing this line, because it is Jupyter notebook. So it is doing like this. If you run this code in VS Code and ID in IDE, then it will print first. It will print because it will print line by line, printing how are you. Then it will ask for name. So it is asking for name. So I am Rahul. Rahul. My name is Rahul. So it is printing. So done. It has been done. So this is how we work. So again, if I want great, then again we call. So again it will. So it is it is work like this. So in next video, we will see how to create a function in detail. So thanks for watching this video. I will meet you in next one.